Hi. In this unit, we will learn how to swap two numbers in C++. Here, we will work out 3 different ways to swap two numbers. Now let's work out example with our first logic to swap. Create a new program. Include headers. Use namespace std. Next, let's declare 3 variables of type integer. We have num1, num2 and temp as variables. Now, get numbers from user. Save first number in num1. Also save second number in num2, using cin. Assume user has entered first num equals 10 and second number equals 20. Here, store value in num1 to temp variable. Next, assign value in num2 to num1. Remember, value in num1 is not lost, as we have already saved them in temp. Now we have to just save value in temp, that is 10, to num2. After assigning values, output results using cout. Next, build and run program. Enter numbers and check result. Thus, we have completed program to swap numbers. Next, let's try out another method to swap two numbers in C++. In our example 2, we will not use temp variable. First, create a new C++ program. Include headers and use relevant namespace. Now, move to main function. Declare 2 variables of type integer. Ask user to enter 2 numbers. Get numbers into num1 and num2. Assume user has input values as 10 and 20. Now, add 10 and 20, save them in num1. Here, we have num1 equals 30. Next, subtract num2 from num1, that is 30 minus 20, we have 10. Store that in num2. Now, we have num1 equals 30 and num2 equals 10. Next, perform num1 minus num2. We have 30 minus 10 equals 20. Store result in num1. Now we have num1 equals 20 and num2 equals 10. Next, output results after swapping numbers. Build and run program. Enter values and check results. Thus we have successfully swapped using C++ without any third variable in play. Let's get our example a bit advanced. In third technique, we will use pointers to swap two given numbers. We have already learnt about pointers in previous units. Create a new C++ program. Use namespace std. Now declare 3 variables. Also declare 2 pointers of type integer. Let's get values from user using cin. Assume user has entered first value as 10 and second value as 20. The trick here is, we will use pointers to store address of variables and thereby change values in them. Now, store address of num1 in pointer p1. Also, store address of num2 in pointer p2. Next, assign value pointed by p1 to variable temp. Pointer p1 has address of variable num1 and num1 has value 10. Here, assign value pointed by pointer p2 to pointer p1. As a last step, assign value in temp variable to value pointed by p2. After assigning values, cout results in variables. Next, build and run program. Check results in console window. Thus we have completed number swapping. Hope you liked examples. Thank you for taking this unit.